Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the easiest kafta and potato soup. What we need is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of parsley, 1 tablespoon of salt and a little bit of black pepper. If you like it to be hot, add a little bit of hot pepper as well. We mix it very well by hand till it is well mingled and mixed all together. We divide the meat into round circles the size that you like. We prepare a pan. I'm using here an instant pot, but you can use any pan you like. We add around 50 grams of butter and we cook the meat very well. We add 2 pounds of cubed and washed potatoes after the meat is well done. And we cover the pan till the potatoes are well cooked, around 20 minutes. Then we add 1 cup of tomato sauce plus 2 cups of water. We add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch while the water is still cold before it starts boiling. Then we add a little bit of pepper, hot pepper if you like it to be hot, a little bit of salt and pepper, plus 1 tablespoon of dried mint. We leave it to cook 30 to 40 minutes. I hope you will try this easy soup. It's very healthy and delicious, and you can't imagine the smell. I hope you'll try it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.